carrot sauce with yogurt. Or you can say carrot dip with yogurt. Or meze, kind of salad, how do you like to call? It is okay. Grate 3 carrots and put in your pan. 2 to 3 cloves of grated or smashed garlic too. A little bit of olive oil and start to fry. Don't forget the mix. It will take around 3 to 4 minutes much more to cook. Let's say 5 minutes. This is delicious, easy to prepare, fresh sauce you can use with many things together. Mix it well. It's very easy to burn if you forget. See, I left for a minute and it's gone a little bit. Yeah, I feel bad for this, but it is not possible to turn back. Be careful, don't repeat my mistake. Take out your fried carrots in a bowl. I'm just using here a small part of carrot to show you how to make it, and mix it with a plain yogurt. Then ready to taste. Bon appetit! Every week new videos. Don't forget to subscribe. See you next video. Bye bye.